What's up guys, it's Logan. So I'm here with another video today, and in today's video I'm going to be trying rice water on my locks for the first time. I keep seeing all over YouTube, one of the main benefits to rice water is that it will help your hair grow instantly. I see a lot of people saying that it helps their hair grow overnight, so I'm just really happy to be trying this and just see how it affects my locks. I'm making this video at the same time that I'm making a hot oil treatment video. So that video, I'm going to be uploading that video instantly right after I finish making these videos, and then I'm going to be uploading this video maybe a couple of weeks later. So if you guys see this video, then that video should definitely be up and you should definitely check that out. But in the meantime, you could continue watching and I will be showing you guys how I make my rice water, and then I'll be including some of the clips from that video as well of me applying the rice water and how I choose to apply it. I may choose to do it a different type of way than most people. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, continue watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Take my time with you. I'ma take my time, cause I got all night with you. Cause I got all night, yeah. Something just feels so right with you. Put my feelings back in my life. Don't you throw me no curve, no ball picture. Hitting home runs all night. Yeah, I heard that you don't believe in love no more. Had a lot of guys in your life that's done you dirt before. I wanna be the one to change that. I wanna be the one. I wanna be the one to give you light when there's no sun. Skip to the loop, my baby. Skip to the loop, my girl. Skip to the loop, my baby. Skip to the loop, my girl. Skip to the loop, my baby. Skip to the loop, my girl. Skip to the loop, my baby. Skip to the loop, my girl. Don't skip on me. Don't skip on me. Don't skip on me. Let's talk about life, not talking about them girls. They be hating on you, cause you do everything that you say you're gonna do. And your body is right and your vibe match me cool. When you meet me outside, on the middle of the night, shining like a full moon. Take your body on the ride, you don't need no shoes. Look me dead in the eye like you feeling in the mood. Skip to the look, my baby. No. Skip to the look, my girl. Skip to the look, my baby. Skip to the look, my girl. Skip to the look, my baby. Skip to the look, my girl. Skip to the look, my baby. Skip to the look, my girl. Don't skip on me. No, 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 no. Don't skip on me. No, baby. Don't skip on me. Don't skip on me. Don't skip on me. Don't skip on me.
Guys, I'm in a rush. That's why I'm having to just do it really quick into this bottle. I didn't feel like running downstairs to get like a funnel or anything, so don't make fun of me for this. I'm really in a rush. I'm sure you guys can tell how quick I'm trying to make this video. I'm just gonna be putting the water into this bottle. I didn't even rinse the bottle out after using that oil. I'm just gonna assume that all of the oil that's still in the bottle is just gonna mix in with this water, and so the water will be have a little bit of oil in it, so it shouldn't make that much of a difference. But the water is cold because I just got it out of the fridge, and I'm getting ready to just go ahead and spray it all over my locks. So if you guys want to continue watching.
Take my time with you. I'ma take my time, cause I got all night with you. Cause I got all night, yeah. Something just feels so right with you. Put my feelings back in my life. Don't you throw me no curve, no ball picture. Hitting home runs all night. Yeah, I heard that you don't believe in love no more. Had a lot of guys in your life that's done you dirt before. I wanna be the one to change.
What's up guys? So I do have a question before I leave. This is the end of the video, but just before I go, I want to ask you guys a question. I never am able to wear my hoods whenever I wear hoodies. Ever since I've been growing my locks, I've always had a problem with trying to fit hoods over my locks, no matter how big I get my sweatshirts. And I see a lot of people with this, and they're like, I feel like they get like bigger sweatshirts, or maybe they just don't have as many locks as me. So I want to ask you guys, how do you wear hoods, or do you guys wear hoods? No matter if I try to put my hair inside of my jacket and wear it like, even when I try to wear my jackets like that, it's like, it just doesn't necessarily look right, because as you guys can see, it's like, it's a big bulge in the back. Or if I try to put my hair up,
Let's talk about life. Not talking about
it's like a big bulge at the top. So I want to ask you guys, like, how do you wear your hoods? How do you confront the problem of trying to wear hoods with locks? And if you guys even run into that problem, as well as I run into that problem. I see a lot of celebrities and stuff try to wear locks. I'm gonna try to wear hoods, try to fit their locks into their hoods, and it works for them. But for some reason, I can never wear locks and a hood. So I wanted to just ask you guys, how do you guys do it? Get into my comment section and just let me know. Let's start a conversation about that, as to what you guys do when you have locks and you want to wear hoods. I really like wearing hoods, but for some reason I never can. So yeah, in the meantime, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My hair is wet and it stinks very, very bad, so it just smells like rice water. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.